I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I welcome you to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I am Miss Parvati Chaugule, your first grade English teacher. Students, what we were seeing? Yes, we were seeing grammar, isn't it? So, today we will see the fourth topic of grammar. That is, the name of our lesson is adjectives. Adjectives. A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E-S. Adjectives. Quality and number. See, before going to see what is the meaning of adjective, we have to write here, means we have to describe each picture, use the hints given in the bracket. Okay, see, one is done for us. What they have did here, apples are there, isn't it? In this picture, are you able to see? It is, these are the apples. Say about number. They have given us the hint that we have to say the number of apples. Okay, so how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 apples. What it is written here? 5 apples. Now the next one is what we have to do, say about size. This is a small girl and big dog. So here see what we have to write about the size of girl and dog. See, first dog they have given, so it is big, B-I-G, big dog, isn't it? Big dog. And the size of this girl is small, S-M-A-L-L. Small girl, big dog. Big dog, small girl. Now next, say about height. Now we have to say about the height of these two girls. Okay, see, the first girl is tall, isn't it? She is tall, and the second one is short. So here, tall, T-A-L-L, tall girl. She is tall, so tall girl. And short girl, S-H-O-R-T, short girl. Tall girl, short girl. And next is say what is made of. Now we have to tell the material of these water can. So it is metallic. This is made up of metal. So metal, M-E-T-A-L, metal. See, once more, when the hint is given us of the number, we said 5 apples. Next, when the hint is of the size, then we said big dog, small girl. About the height, tall girl and short girl. Next, say what is made of. When they have asked us about the material, we have said metal, metal water can. Okay, now take down in your textbook. So, have you done with it? Shall we move forward? Now we will see one video. Okay, here it is, our video. Listen it carefully. Okay.
Adjectives. Hi students, let us learn about adjectives today. Read these sentences and notice the words in blue. Today is Nimi's birthday. She is wearing a new pink dress. 2 friends are coming for the birthday party. The room has many red and blue balloons. Dad brought a big chocolate cake. Her mom gave her a round pink basket. It had a tiny puppy The words in blue tell us more about the nouns. They describe the nouns. Such describing words are called adjectives. We use adjectives before nouns. Examples: clean, orange, pie, new, square.
See, now we will play this video once again.
Adjectives. Hi students, let us learn about adjectives today. Read these sentences and notice the words in blue.
See, what we have to do? We have to read the sentences and notice the words in blue. And notice the words in blue.
Today is Nimi's birthday. She is wearing a new pink dress.
See, what? Today is Nimi's birthday. She is wearing a new pink dress. What is the color of Nimi's dress? Pink. And how it is? It is a new. So, we have to pay attention to the blue words. That is new, pink. Here new, pink. See now next.
Two friends are coming for the birthday party.
See now, in the next sentence what they say? Two friends are coming for the birthday party. How many friends are coming? Two. So here two is in the blue word. Next.
The room has many red and blue balloons.
And next is, the room has many red and blue balloons. Which type of balloons? Yes, that is of the color red and blue balloons. And how many they are? They are many, isn't it? Many red, blue. Okay, here the words in blue.
Dad brought a big chocolate cake.
And in the next sentence, Dad brought a big chocolate cake. What the dad had brought? Yes, he had brought a big chocolate cake. Next.
Her mom gave her a round pink basket.
And what her mom gave? A round pink basket.
Had a tiny puppy in it.
And it had a tiny puppy in it. This is a pink basket and it is having a tiny puppy. Here tiny is a word in blue color. Next.
The words in blue tell us more about the nouns. They describe the nouns. Such describing words are called adjectives.
See now students, in the previous sentences we have seen some words are in the blue color, isn't it? So the words in the blue tells us more about the noun. So what that blue colored words were telling? Yes, they were telling more about the noun. They described the noun. What they were doing? They were describing the noun. Means the words in the blue in these sentences were telling more about the noun. Were describing about the noun. Such describing words are called adjectives, and the words which describe nouns are called as adjectives. Once again I repeat, the words which describe noun or tells us more about the noun are called as adjectives.
We use adjectives before nouns. Examples: clean, orange, pie, new, square.
And when we use adjectives, we use adjectives before nouns. Example, clean, orange, 5, new, square. So now, here we go, turn the page, see, the words in italic tells us more about the noun. They describe noun. Such describing words are called as adjectives. The words which describe noun are called as adjectives. We use adjectives before noun, and when we use adjectives before nouns. Now we have to fill these blanks. See, describe each face with an adjective. Choose a suitable adjective from the box, write in the blank. Okay, what we have to do? We have to write in the blank. Once again, what are the adjectives? The words which describe noun or tells us more about the noun are called as adjectives. Okay. So here we go. See now what we have to do? Describe the face with an adjective. Fill in the blank with a suitable adjective from the box. From the box we have to choose a suitable word which describe this face. Now here, a dash face. How face do you see, children? How it is? Yes, it is a happy face. So what will come here? Happy. What will come here? Happy, isn't it? H-A-P-P-Y, happy. A happy face. A happy face. Take down in your textbook. A happy face. Next, and how it is? How is this face? Yes, it is angry, isn't it? An angry face. What will come? An angry face. A-N-G-R-Y. An angry face, isn't it? How it is? It is an angry face. Take down in your textbook. Okay. Shall we move next? See, an angry face. Next. How it is, children? How is this face? Yes, this is a red face, isn't it? A red face. How it is? It is a red face. So here we write red. R-E-D. Red. A red face. A red face. Take down. Okay, shall we move? See, now how is this face? Yes, this is a sleepy face, isn't it? This is a sleepy face. So, what we write here? What we will write? Sleepy. S-L-E-E-P-Y. Sleepy. A sleepy face, isn't it? This is a sleepy face. Next, how it is? It is a round face, isn't it? A round face. A round. R-O-U-N-D. Round face. A round face. Next, how it is? How the face is this? This is a, yes, this is a sad face, isn't it? This is a sad face. So, a sad, S-A-D, sad face. A sad face. Okay. See, a happy face, an angry, A-N-G-R-Y, an angry face, a red face, R-E-D, a red face. Next, a sleepy face, S-L-E-E-P-Y, a sleepy face. A round face, R-O-U-N-D, a round face. And next, a sad face. Now take down. Do it fast. What these words are doing, children? See, the word happy is describing the face, isn't it? Happy face. Then by seeing this picture, we can say, how is this face? An angry face, a red face, a sleepy face, a round face, a sad face. These words are describing noun, isn't it? These words are describing nouns. Okay? Shall we move forward? Now we will go for the next question. Okay. We will move for the next question. Here we have to complete each sentence with a suitable adjective from the box given below. A box is given, okay. From that we have to take a suitable adjective. See here, a camel has a dash neck. How is the neck of the camel, children? Yes, it is a long, L-O-N-G, long, L-O-N-G, long. कैमल का जो नेक रहता है वो कैसा रहता है? Long. So the word long describes the neck, isn't it? The word long describes the neck of the camel. So long is a adjective, isn't it? A camel has a long neck. Next, a camel has a long neck. Next, a dog has a dashed spot on its body. Spot, isn't it? It is there? Yes. A dog is having a spot. What is the color of that spot? Black. What is the color of that spot? Black. So here word black, B-L-A-C-K, word black describes the spot on the body of the dog, isn't it? So here in this blank comes black. Next, a tortoise has dash legs. How is the legs of the tortoise? Yes, they are short, S-H-O-R-T, short. How are the legs of tortoise? They are short, isn't it? They are short. Then next, a rabbit has a dash fur on its body. How is the fur of the rabbit? It is soft, isn't it? Soft, S-O-F-T, soft. A rabbit has a soft fur on its body. So we move forward. An elephant has dash ears. How are the ears of elephant? Yes, they are big. They are big, B-I-G, big. An elephant has big ears. An elephant has big ears. Next, An ant has very thin legs. Thin, thin legs. An elephant has very thin legs. How are the legs of ant? They are very thin. Yes, they are very thin. Isn't it? Yes. So, here we will write an elephant has a camel has a long neck, a dog has a black black spot on its body, a tortoise has short legs, short, short legs. A rabbit has soft fur, soft fur on its body. An elephant has big ears. An elephant has big ears. An ant has very thin, thin legs. An ant has very thin legs. So take down in your textbook. A camel has a long neck. A dog has a black spot on its body. A tortoise has short legs. A rabbit has soft fur on its body. An elephant has a big ears. Elephant has a big ears. An ant has very thin legs. Take down in your textbook. Do it fast. Yes. So, once again see students, what is this? Yes, this is a duster. What is the shape of this? This is rectangle in the shape, isn't it? So, the shape means rectangle. This rectangle is describing this duster. So, the words which describe nouns or tells us more about the nouns are called as adjectives. Isn't it? So, now we move for our next question. Do it fast, take down in your textbook. Are you done with it? Shall we move? Okay. So, now what we have to do? Look at each picture and describe it. Fill in the blanks by choosing a suitable adjective from the box. This is a box given to us. We have to pick a suitable adjective and write here. Okay. 1. Examples are done for us. A dirty t-shirt. How is this t-shirt? Yes, a dirty t-shirt. It is dirty. It is having some stains. So, it is a dirty t-shirt. Next, a clean t-shirt. And how is the next one? This is a clean t-shirt. Okay. Now, here, dirty, clean. Dirty, clean. Now, next, a dash chair. How is this? This is a high chair, isn't it? A high chair. H-I-G-H. High. H-I-G-H. A high chair. Next, a low chair. High chair and low chair. So, this is L-O-W. Low. A low chair. Next, a young girl, isn't it? How is this girl? Small, nice. She is very small. So, a young, Y-O-U-N-G. A young girl. And how is this woman? An old woman. An old woman, isn't it? See, a dirty t-shirt, a clean t-shirt, a high chair, a low chair, a young girl, an old woman, isn't it? Take down in your textbook. Do it fast. A dirty t-shirt, a clean t-shirt, a high chair, a low chair, a young girl, an old woman. So now we go for the next one. Turn your page. Turn the page of textbook. Now here more examples we have. Okay. A dash t-shirt. How is this? What is the color? Yes, it is white. W-H-I-T-E. A white t-shirt. Next. What is the color? Yes, this is black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Means in this we are describing about the color of the t-shirt. So how it is? It is white in color and this is black in color. Next, here a full glass. This glass is full of water. So here F-U-L-L, full, a full glass. Next, how is this glass? Yes, this is empty, N-E-M-P-T-Y, an empty glass, isn't it? That is a full glass, this is empty glass. Next, a new house. How it is? Yes, this is a new, N-E-W, new, a new house. Next, an old house, an old house. That house had become old, so it is an old house. Take down in your textbook a white t-shirt, a black t-shirt, a full glass, an empty glass, a new house, an old house. So students, today we have seen adjectives. What were the adjectives? Yes, the words which describe noun or tells us more about noun are called as adjectives. So the further part of this lesson we will continue in the next class.